Good morning. You just got a glimpse of my morning routines. I didn't do much in the morning, but I loved cartoons as a kid. I always ate breakfast and watched cartoons as a child, and I still do. Except that now the cartoons are from Japan instead of US. We got winter overnight again. I'm going to work. I'm gonna take a bus. And I will see you at the workplace. It's like -2 degrees, -1 degree. Not too cold at the moment, but pretty nice. Chilly and fresh. Very, very moody and gloomy weather. But yeah, let's go.
Take your time, I'm standing straight. I'll just wait for my final cue. A battleship on call.
Made it to the center of Tampere. It takes me around 30 minutes to get here, and yeah, now I just have to walk like 1 minute to get to work. It's really slippery out here. I need to be really careful where I step. It's also super loud. But yeah, time to get to the workplace and drink some coffee. I need coffee. So many stairs. Yeah, you can.
Let them lions roar until the elephants align, till all the tamers resign. Let them bodies float among the candid sound of a million beaten drums. I'll just keep waiting till it comes.
How likely is it that the first day I try to do a daily vlog, I have to work overtime? Well, I managed to finish all I was supposed to do, so I got a tight deadline for today. That's why I needed to work overtime. But yeah, that was my workday in a nutshell. My workmate got a dog or a puppy on Saturday, and he surprised us by bringing it to the workplace, and he was so damn cute. So cute. And his name was Metku, which could be translated to a prank, which is super hilarious and very unique. I'm hungry again. I need to go home and buy some food. And I also forgot to attach the microphone, so sorry about the sound quality. Let's go back home. Back inside. I think this day is pretty much it. By the way, Mokka is always like that when I come home. Sometimes I can hear him when I come inside this whole building. We live in the top floor, and I can hear him all the way downstairs. Wait, is the camera crooked? God damn it. I guess he's missing me or something. He does that when I'm not home.
Yeah, I can confirm that.
But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up now because I still need to edit it and get ready for tomorrow and try to relax even for half an hour or something. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider giving it a thumbs up and remember to ring the bell if you haven't already, and of course subscribe if you want to see more of my stuff. And without further ado, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye, BastFlow out. How do we go out today? But without further ado, BastFlow and Inkiväri out.
Wait until it comes.